Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Thunder, and today we're going to be learning how to change the characters for a third-person controller. This is quite a simple process and it just takes a few minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Our goal is to move the character mesh on the left into our playable character and still have it use all of our animations. The first thing that you need to make sure your character is it uses a humanoid rig. Go ahead and select your character mesh. Where it says animation type, make sure you got it marked as humanoid and hit apply. We'll then go ahead and under player armature prefab, we're going to delete the geometry and the skeleton game objects. Then we'll move all of the meshes and the root bone. Here's the root and here are all of my bones for my player. So go ahead and grab the root and all of the meshes, drag it over to your player armature, and inside this, all we gotta do now is swap out the armature avatar. So go ahead and open up your player object, find the avatar, which is right here for me, and drag it over there. All you gotta do now is make sure that the root is centered. In my case, by default, it uses a rotation of -90 on the X and everything else is 0, so I'm just gonna zero it out. We can now go ahead and hit play and test it out. Here we got our beautifully handsome character, fully working and using all of the animations, as you can see. It's extremely simple and fast. We now have a playable character that uses our own custom mesh. As always, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, comment, and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.